Hey everyone, it's Dr. Dish here again, and welcome back to the next video in our Dental for Web series. So in this video, we are going to take a quick look at one of the newest features coming to Dental for Web, and it's called the Task Manager. I'm going to show you what it does, how to use it, and why I think it's such a useful tool for all dental practices. Now, as any dentist, owner, or manager would know, running a dental practice involves a lot more than just seeing patients. There is so much communication that needs to happen behind the scenes and within the team to keep things running smoothly. And what I love about the Task Manager is that it gives the team a central place to keep track of all of this important information instead of relying on verbal reminders or written notes or any other third-party softwares. So there's two main ways that you can see your tasks. The first is by using this icon on the top right-hand side. When you click on this, you can actually see the number of tasks that you have today, upcoming, and overdue. Now, of course, here you can only see the number. But when you click on one of these, you can actually see an in-depth view in this window of exactly what the task is and exactly when the task is due. Now, when you want to create a task, it's very simple. All you have to do is click on this plus button on the top right-hand side. Once you've clicked on the plus button, it's going to open up a Create a Task window. Now over here, you just need to enter a few things and then click Save. So you need to write down what the task actually is. You need to enter who you're assigning the task to and the date by which the task is due. And you also have a selection of other things here like the priority or reminders if you need to. And then all you would need to do is click here on the Save button. Now, the other way to view tasks is by using the menu on the left-hand side and opening up the Task Manager, which you can see over here. Now, when you do this, you actually get a more in-depth view of the tasks. So you have access to more information, for example, what the task is, the due date, who you've assigned the task to, the priority of the task, and also the how much the task has been completed. For example, has it just been created? Is it in progress? Or has it already been finished? Now, on this left-hand side, you also have a button here called Collections. Now, this is an area where you can actually group tasks within specific categories. For example, front desk, recalls, claims, or clinical staff. Right, so these groupings just help to keep all of your tasks organized for the team. Now, from an owner's perspective, a tool like this makes a massive difference because firstly, it helps to improve accountability within the practice because now your whole team knows exactly what needs to be done, who needs to do it, and by when it needs to be finished. And it also makes sure that the important jobs don't get forgotten or missed. So I really do think that when your team starts using the task manager like this, it will make a big difference to the workflow and accountability and organization within your practice.